Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of my scary Sephora haul. But yeah, this is going to be all of the makeup. So I just filmed the skincare stuff, which you've already seen because I'm going to upload that one first. And here's all the makeup. I'm going to start with eye makeup. The first couple of eye products are this. This is my favorite thing of all time. I use this without fail every single day, regardless of what mascara I'm using. It's the Lancome Cils Booster XL. And I actually was reading, I think it says on the back of here, maybe, I don't know, but you can actually like use that. You can put this on at night for like conditioning like treatment for your lashes, which I've never done. I don't know if I will, just because I know that I rub my eyes a lot, so don't know if that's a good idea, but yeah, so that's cool. Most of the time I use this mascara in addition with other mascaras. Like, well, sometimes I use it by itself and I love it, but if I ever use mascara that's just a little bit clumpy, then I'll just go over it with this one. So I use this one very often. It's Benefit Roller Lash. And, you know, believe it or not, more mascara. I've been dying to try this mascara for so freaking long now, and I'm just really excited about it. It's the Lancome Monster Big Waterproof Mascara. I don't actually have any waterproof mascaras right now, but Anna Newton of the Anna Edit always talks about this, and so I just got a little mini one to try it. And then I saw this and I was like, yes. This is the Sephora Favorites Lash Stash to Go. So it has 5 different mascaras in it. 3 of them I've already tried. And then you just like choose which, like you try them all out and choose which one's your favorite, and then you get the full size of it. I've already tried the Lights Camera Lashes, Better Than Sex, and Everybody K Perversion. I don't really like Perversion. It's just really underwhelming. But the 2 that I haven't tried are the Hourglass, what is this one even called? Caution. And then the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. That's it for mascara. Now on to brows. Couple Anastasia products. This is the brow definer in the shade medium brown. I love, love, love the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, and it's just like the triangular shaped one, but they didn't have the shade that I needed at Sephora, so I decided to try this one because I think the reason that I like that one so much is solely just because of the shape of the pencil. Like, I mean, it's a good product, obviously, but I don't know if it really has anything to do with the consistency or the formula or anything, or if it's just the shape. So, yeah. And then I got the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel because, once again, Benefit. I had the 24-hour brow setter or something, and I just hated it. I hated it so much. The product itself, I think, was fine, but the brush... Are you kidding me? It just like gooped it on, and then you like tried to brush it through, and it just added more product. I did not like that. And when I'm feeling lazy, like not pencil and gel, I'm just gonna use this gel. This is the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel in the shade Grind. I used to have the, once again, Benefit. One of my favorite brands, honestly. Benefit Gimme Brow, that's what it is. I used to have that, but this one was like $10 cheaper or something, so I got this one. This is only $18. And I know I say only as if that's like a steal, because I know Essence makes one that's $3 or something, but that one's trash in my opinion. I really do not like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this one. And then I was going through my eyeshadow palettes and I got rid of some of them that I just don't use anymore, and I decided that I wanted to treat myself to a new one. So I got the Anastasia Sultry one, and oh my god, this packaging is everything. Not gonna lie, I have already tried this out. I did my eyeshadow with this the other day, and it is just amazing. I'm always shocked at how pigmented Anastasia shadows are. And then a couple of concealers to sort of fade into the face product portion of this video. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Self-Setting Concealer. Looking really cute right now, I know. Anyways, I just wanted to mention, because as I was editing, I saw the Makeup Forever concealer and I really did not like that one, so I went to Sephora and I exchanged it for the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer instead, and I like this one a lot better, so just wanted to let you know I didn't like that product, so I didn't keep it, and I got this one instead. And then I got the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. I wanted this for, like, acne, because I feel like I've heard good things. And this looks like it's a little bit, maybe a little bit dark for me, but I think I can make it work. Okay, so It Cosmetics is amazing for face products. I haven't tried any of their skincare or really anything else from them. I know they have a mascara too that I'm interested in trying. Don't know if it comes in a mini size. That's the only way I would buy it. But anyways, my point is, this CC cream is fantastic. I don't know how they're really able to market this as a CC cream, because this is 100% a foundation. Like, no. Because I feel like CC creams are typically like lighter weight, lighter coverage, maybe like medium coverage. This is so full coverage, but I love it. And yeah, it has SPF 50. It's a good one. And then I wanted to try this because, well, actually, okay, I got a sample of this in a Sephora order, and I was amazed at how good it was. Like, it's so full coverage. It stays on all day. It's the Bye Bye Breakout Full Coverage Treatment Concealer, and I felt like it made my skin look amazing. And like, if it could treat my acne while making my skin look amazing, that would be amazing. How many times can I say amazing? Call me crazy, because I am. But I got a couple of bronzers because I love bronzer. I really do. I got this one, which I'm so excited about because Alana Davidson always talks about this. And it's just one of the most gorgeous products ever. It's the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze Coconut Perfect Tan. And like, first of all, can we just talk about this freaking packaging? And you open it up and it has a huge mirror. This was so worth it. So worth it. It's like, this is gonna last me the rest of my life. So that's really exciting. And then I also got the Cover FX bronzer in the shade Suntan. Bronzer I actually, like, surprisingly love. I've already used this a few times, and it's just like a perfect color for my skin tone, and it blends like a dream, and it's just like a product that I've never heard anyone talk about, and so I just decided to try it, and I was very impressed. So another cheek product that I got is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush, because honestly, I don't have a blush at the moment. So I got this in the shade Call My Blush, and I feel like this is just a perfect everyday shade. I'm not like I'm not super obsessed with blush or anything, but yeah, I really liked this color. Then another Milk Makeup product is the Kush Lip Balm. Now, this is not at all something that I needed, and I love the packaging. It's like magnetized, and it's just really heavy duty. And this is in the shade Green Dragon. It's just like the only shade that they have, but it's green and it goes on clear, obviously. I'm gonna put it on right now. And it has a minty sort of like flavor, afterbirth, as Michael Scott would say. And then the next product that I got is the Cover FX Gripping Primer. Hello, yes, it's me again. Also, did not like the Cover FX Gripping Primer. I thought it was like a cool idea, but the main reason that I wanted a gripping primer is because the makeup on the sides of my nose always comes off by the end of the day. Like, when I'm at work, and that didn't change anything. However, this did. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and this is just the smoothing one. I know that they have like a whole line of these Step 1 Skin Equalizer primers, but this was the one that I picked, and I really liked it. This is something that I have wanted for so long. I actually got this at Nordstrom, but they sell it at Sephora, so I was like, I'll just put it in this haul anyways. This powder is absolutely amazing. I have it in this palette that I got so long ago. This is the Ambient Lighting Edit from, I don't want to know how old this is, but it's that one right there, and like, you can see it's so flat compared to all the other ones. Also, love this blush. Turns out I do own a blush, but I'll need palette form. Whatever. Anyways, this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Diffused Light, and I absolutely in love with this. It just makes your under eyes look so flawless, and it like sort of brightens them, and it just like catches the light in such a flattering way that's like you're not wearing highlighter, but your under eyes are just like glowing, but not in like a bad way. You know what I mean? I don't know. If you've tried this, then you know. And then the very last thing, which is funny because this is the very last thing that you do on your face. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection version, because I do have the regular version, and I honestly, like, I'm not like nearly out of it. I probably, you know, it sounds like it's about there, like maybe there. But I wanted to pick this up because I don't know if this is like a regular thing or if it's a limited edition thing or anything like that, so I just thought it would be safe to get it now and to keep. So that is it for the makeup part of my haul. I hope that you enjoyed, and I promise that I will have more videos coming soon, like more consistently, once I get back to my normal work schedule, because around the holidays it was just wild. And frankly, it's wild now because I'm working 9 days straight, but that's okay. Thank you for watching. I hope that you'll subscribe, and I hope that you'll stay tuned for more videos.